Hi, I'm Stephanie Lee, and today I'd like to review the Duolingo app. Duolingo is a widely used language learning app that offers courses in over 30 languages. Let's look at how Duolingo functions and how effective it is. Duolingo's language curricula align with the International Common European Framework of Reference, CEFR. CEFR is an internationally recognized standard for measuring language proficiency. Developed by the Council of Europe, it offers a clear framework to evaluate learners' skills in listening, speaking, reading, and writing. The app uses AI to personalize the learning experience and makes language acquisition fun through gamification. As learners progress, the AI adjusts the difficulty of lessons to match their pace and provides feedback to help improve. The app also lets learners track their progress, set goals, and practice with activities like translation, sentence building, and pronunciation exercises. The interface is clean and intuitive, so whether they are just starting or they are more advanced, it's easy to use. When it comes to customization, Duolingo offers some flexibility in what you can focus on, like verbs, nouns, or phrases you'll use in real-life situations. However, it's not as customizable as other platforms. There's no option to create a fully personalized learning plan for specific goals, like learning business language. While it adapts to your learning pace, it may not be ideal for those with very specific needs or goals. Now, let's talk about ethical considerations. Duolingo collects a range of user data, such as progress, platform behavior, and device details. While it complies with privacy regulations like GDPR, some users might be concerned about how their data is used and whether it's shared with third parties. Even though Duolingo has a privacy policy in place, some users might not fully grasp what's happening with their data, which could lead to worries about transparency. Duolingo's AI can reflect biases based on the content it's trained on. For example, in languages like Spanish, where words are gendered, learners might encounter assumptions about gender. This, along with possible regional dialect biases, could limit the diversity of the language learning experience and impact cultural awareness. Impact on teaching and learning. The app adjusts to each learner's pace, providing personalized feedback on mistakes. This allows learners to concentrate on areas where they struggle. However, Duolingo may not be the ideal fit for all learning styles. It lacks significant contextual or cultural exposure, which some students require to grasp the nuances of a language. The gamified design, achievements, streaks, and challenges helps keep students motivated. Research shows that gamified learning enhances motivation and retention. However, some students find the content repetitive, particularly at more advanced levels, which could lead to disengagement. Duolingo also fosters digital literacy, self-motivation, and time management, as students can engage with lessons whenever it fits their schedule. However, it does little to develop higher-level skills like critical thinking or creativity, which are essential for truly mastering a language. Additionally, because it emphasizes repetition and memorization, it does not effectively simulate real-world conversations, which are crucial for fluency. The case study I want to discuss is Survey for Evaluating the Improvement of Users' Mandarin Proficiency as a Second Language by Using Duolingo's Mobile App by Tayaquardi et al. This study aims to evaluate the effectiveness of the Duolingo app in teaching Mandarin to second language learners. It will examine various aspects of the app, including its user interface, user experience, user progress, and overall improvement. The primary objective is to determine whether Duolingo is a suitable platform for learning Mandarin and how its design impacts the learning process. The results indicated that participants made significant progress in their Mandarin skills, and the app's user interface and user experience received positive feedback, contributing to effective learning. In conclusion, Duolingo is an excellent choice for beginners in second language learning who want to grasp the basics of a new language, with consistency in practice being crucial for noticeable progress. Recommendations and future directions. Optimizing functionality. Duolingo could provide more customization options, such as specialized language paths for business or travel. Additional interactive features, like live conversations with native speakers or AI-powered simulations, could enhance fluency development in a more immersive way. Another recommendation is that Duolingo could improve by being more transparent about how it collects, stores, and uses user data. It should also make the consent process clearer, particularly for younger audiences, to comply with data protection laws. Duolingo should continue refining its gamification, incorporating social features like peer learning and collaborative challenges. It should also offer more culturally diverse content to ensure learners from all backgrounds feel represented and to reduce bias. Reflection and conclusion. Duolingo has made significant progress in language learning, offering an engaging and accessible way for learners to build foundational language skills. While it works well for beginners and those focused on vocabulary, it has its limitations, particularly in terms of fluency and cultural immersion. Ethical concerns regarding data privacy and algorithmic bias are important to address, and greater transparency and customization would enhance the user experience. Ultimately, Duolingo is a great tool when used alongside other learning methods, especially those that emphasize conversation and real-world application. As AI continues to play a larger role in education, tools like Duolingo will become even more central. But it is crucial that they evolve to meet the diverse needs of all learners while maintaining ethical considerations.